So my website is called Laura Lou. My mom owns her own business selling and making all natural products. This website is targeted towards the mid-age range, about 25 to 40, I would say. This is the homepage. This is her logo right here that I will actually be remaking for her, and then a little description on what they sell here. I also have the contact information down here. For the events page, I made a list of a couple of the events coming up that she will be participating in. A spa page for this, a couple of the spa products that they offer and the prices. Again, body products with the prices and list of items and a picture over here. Household products, another picture here of one of the products that they offer. Air fresheners, again, price, picture. Jewelry is something new that they're starting, so I only have one little tiny description here. And then I added a form here that you may fill out. I inserted the table here for their top products being sold with the prices, the description, everything like that, and a photo over here. And then I also have a link to their Facebook page. It does not open a new window, but it does link to their Facebook page here. And then since their focus is all natural products, I wanted to keep the colors representing that, so I used green and black. Green meaning helping the environment, staying clean, everything like that. And my goal was just to list their products and give you a taste of what they sell and what they're all about, and then having a social media link to go with that. You can go to their page and see if you want more information or anything like that.